Are you bored in your current job, or are you looking to start a highly paid career? If so, go to Google and type Power BI jobs. You'll see thousands upon thousands of job postings from around the world looking for Power BI skills. Power BI is the leading reporting tool developed by tech titan Microsoft. Power BI is a bit like Excel. If you've got Excel skills, you've got a great head start. Every company needs to understand their data. If you've got skills in Power BI, you can help. Is Power BI something you'd like a career in? If so, here are a few things when you get started. It's hard to know where to start, hard to find the money to pay for courses, and it's hard to prove you've learned. At Collab 365, we've decided to solve those problems. So we've created the Jumpstart Challenge for Power BI, and it has these benefits. It's easy to get started. It guides you step by step. It's easy to book. It's only the price of a coffee and a cake. And it's easy to complete. It's under 90 minutes and it's fun. It's easy to prove you've learnt because we give you a Credly certificate at the end. If you want to see if Power BI can give you a prosperous and future-proof career, go and have a look.